Hi everybody, it's me Dunah. Are you gonna hear a story by the Bible? My story. Look at it. Let's look at it. It's about pony, and then we're gonna sing a song about it. Once upon a time, the pony village of Equestria got ruled by Celestia and Luna. They were sisters, and they kind of fight a little, but went together and excuse me. When the changing attack, they took all the light and love and stole their love by eating their love. Then Starlight, Grillim, and Trixie give me a second. And Chaos was working together, but the favorite Chaoser likes Fluttershy. It captures Rainbow Dash, Pinkie Pie, Twilight Sparkle, and spoiled Fluttershy. And they ate all of the love. Then a changing come up to them and help them and be on their team. When Discord was on their carriage, they joined their team too and get together and also travel and two they made it to the changing kingdom. Then there's kind of two Twilights, so don't forget. Oh, it's Starlight Glimmer. Then Starlight Glimmer destroyed the throne. Then the Starlight Glimmer said the changing queen took all of his friend, give me a second. His friend, the army, but he was a friend. He stole all of his love and turned into a good guy, but he was not bad. So all of the changelings did it and turned into a good guy. Then they got different colors not a rainbow, different colors. And they got it the best I've ever had. So then they live happily ever after. That's it of the story. So let's sing a song. My little pony, my little pony, my little pony. I wanna walk and take me, my little pony, and two friends like magic with me. Big adventure turns out a beautiful hike, so fun and strong. Sharing kindness, amazing thing, and magic make it walk. Hi, my little pony, you're my very best friends. watching my video. And don't forget to look at the Bible at chapter 5:15. So watch out for the sin to get in your way. So bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for watching.